Hi, I'm here today to make a tutorial about this wedgie break. First thing, of course, is to get down the wedgie, but it's more about the hip plane, the wall plane, going side to side, front ways, instead of necessarily worrying about your knees going, because if it's just your knees going, I guess it's still going, but it's not really as comfortable. And you can literally just keep your feet together and move your hips, and the wedgie will keep going, and it will go very accurately. So of course a lot of people probably have the wedgie down. I know it's a pretty simple thing to do. So once you have that, when the hoop is coming around to the front and you're got your hips doing the side to side thing, you're gonna feel the hoop actually hit down here, and that's kind of your cue to lift your leg and begin this back and forth motion. So when that comes around, grabbing it and picking it up and starting it to swing into that motion. And this is honestly what I would do when I was learning it. Just let it go. Just get your body used to feeling what that feels like. I was like, well, what exactly is this motion that my body's doing that I need to be able to do? And I literally took the hoop and put it way up into my knee, because technically, this is what you're going to be, this is kind of what you're doing with that hoop. It falls out really easily like that. But I literally would just kind of do this for a little while just to get my body used to feeling the hoop do this. And then another good thing to get used to once you kind of have that, when you do bring your leg up, you have to just kind of try not to think about it too hard, or think about it just enough, and just, it's really simple, just putting your foot right back down. It's not any sort of weird motion. It's, if you can just get your foot back down, the hoop's going to naturally come over to the side, and then it's just a matter of getting your body used to smoothly going back into this after that. I also noticed that it was easier for me with a smaller hoop, because I'm not that short, I'm probably average, but I feel like I'm kind of short, and I feel like it's really hard to do wedgies and stuff with really big hoops, because it's way out here. I always encourage practicing both sides so that you can be kind of ambidextrous. Those are mostly the key points that helped me. Realizing when to pick my foot up here, because I would feel it down there. I would literally just do this and feel it. Just focus on the back of your leg right here while you're doing a wedgie. Just put your attention there on your body, and then you'll start to understand when to pick it up. After you start to understand when to pick it up, you'll feel it come out. Just put your foot back down. It might be really messy at first, I know it was for me. Just go ahead and put your foot back down and see where the hoop flings. See what happens. And then also, then your body will start just getting it and going back into the side to side hip motion. So I hope that helps.